Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. Alright, so we are going to get started with this Dollar Tree haul. Alright, first up I got this here vanity organizer for my desk here at home, for my office / bedroom. Okay, so I got this here. Home collection. Okay, so put my pencils and like my equipment that I do my things with. Put this here and there. Put this here and there. And this here, just my little things that I use for my glass and, to do my glasses with. Okay, so we're going to start with food. I got these roasted red peppers, okay? Somebody hauled these and I was like, oh, I seen them in the Dollar Tree today. I was like, oh yeah, I love roasted red peppers, and I just got that garlic in there. So yeah, roasted red pepper strips. These right here look amazing. Okay, yep, look amazing. They don't look like they're hot. They just really look good, and their calories is 60 serving one jar. Okay, so yeah, and the expiration date on that is September the 18th, 2027. Okay, see that right there? Okay, yes, roasted red peppers. Okay, and I found the honey. Yes, I did. Yes, 100% pure honey. Okay, I don't see any expiration date on these, so I guess, oh yes there is. It says, while I'm looking, I'm just going to show the honey. Oh, 9/29/23. Okay, package date was 9/29/23. The expiration date is 9/28/2025. See there? Okay, you can see that. Okay, yes, I got me too. Yes, absolutely. This was on my wish list, and I found it. Yes, I actually got 3, but I took one to work already. Okay, and I also got these here fire roasted sweet corn, Mexican sweet corn. Okay, I got these as well. I thought these were pretty good. They were good, but they were a little kind of on the spicy side for me, but I like the taste. It was pretty good, but the taste was just like not really, the taste was good, okay, but and the expiration date on this is April 21st, 2024, okay, so, yeah. Okay, I got that. I only got 1 pack of that. Okay, we're gonna go to, I got these scent boosters. Where did I get these from? The Dollar Tree. Wait a minute, where did I get these from? True Living. Oh, y'all, this is wrong. I got this at a different store. Sorry. I made a mistake and left it in the bag. The Dollar Tree stuff. Okay. Alright, at the Dollar Tree, I also got I Love Paris. Okay. I Love Paris. Okay, you can put this on your glass. It's glass stickers, alright? You can put that on your glass sticker. things. And I also got love. You, me, love, kiss. And that's what it says. You can style these, you know, any way on your glass, any way you want to, okay? It says love me and love in the middle with a bird and some flowers. You, me up at the top with the symbol sign here. And kiss down at the bottom. And you can arrange these any way that you want on your glass. On your glass, okay? So I got 2 of these. Okay. And let's see. I got me some heavy duty batteries. I love these. I keep these all the time. Dollar Tree, I need some stock. I need some investment or something. I need something. I stay at the Dollar Tree, y'all. I stay there. Okay, so yeah. I got these right here, heavy duty. I get these because I usually use like 2 at a time. And on my wish list, I found, yes I did, Hey Humans, okay? I found Hey Humans. Let's see if that's right. I found Hey Humans, okay? I got the banana aloe. Oh, why is it dark? Like something went off. Okay, can you see that? This is really dark. I don't understand why it's dark like that. I have my light on here. But it looks like it's dark. How is this gonna go? I have this on. But when okay, anyway, y'all, see, when I do that, how it darkens up? Yeah, but this smells so good. Oh. This aloe, I want the, I'm looking for the, yeah, I smelled this in the store. Oh, it's nice and moisturized. I like that. Nice and moist. Oh, that smells good. Yes. Okay. Nourishing and moisturizing with shea butter, vitamin E, and essential oil. Dermatologist tested for all skin types. Phthalate and paraffin free, vegan and cruelty free, all day moisturizer. Man, this really feels good. That feels good, y'all. But I am looking for the body wash to go with this as well. Okay, so I got one of these. Okay, I don't know why this is dark like this. Okay, let's do it like that. Okay, that's better. All right, so like I said, I got one of these. Okay, and I also have this body oil by Bolero. Okay, I love body oils, y'all. I love me some body oils. So I thought I would try this. Let's see. I don't want to jab myself. Let me see if I can get this out of here. I'm gonna have to cut up the box. Trying to get through this oil. It's a spray oil, so that's a good thing. Okay, here we go. Body oil, spray oil. Okay. And this. I love their little oil. Excuse me, y'all. I love their little oils. And this is like watermelon mint. Oh my god, the watermelon mint smells so good in Bolero products. It really smells good. I love that. This body oil feels good. I got it on with this here, but it feels good. I like Bolero products. You know, they hit or miss sometimes, but most of the time they do pretty good. Okay, to me. Okay, so I got that, and I also got this mini tint lip oil, because I'm always using a lip oil or you know, a nice lip oil on my skin. I got the y'all, did I show y'all? Okay, I got that. These are the colors. Okay, something like the other one I got. Okay. Okay, it come like this here. It's just like a tint oil, you know. Oh, that smells like chocolate. They got that smell like chocolate, y'all. And they had the pink one, like a mauve color. Now that comes off. Let's see. It's like I said, it's just a tint. Okay, just a tint. And I also have my Sassy and Chic. Okay, I got the facial razor. You can use this for your face, and you get 2 in a pack. Okay, open it up like that. Keep it closed, you know, if you have kids and stuff. And even just to keep it closed, period. I hope this one don't break. Cause, yeah, there we go. But yeah, nice razors for your face and all, you know. Get the little peach fuzz off. You know, because when you get older, you start getting, look at that. I got hair on there already. I took off. Okay. And you can use these for your eyebrows too. You know, I would. Yeah. So I got that. And I also have this Moody Neutrals palette. I never can find those palettes that Marina be having. I'm like, girl, that in New York, they must just put them in New York, because I can't never find them in none of my Dollar Trees. Those real nice palettes that she be getting. I'm like, oh, but this is cute. It's real cute. Nice colors. Let's see how pigmented they are. It's a nice color. Okay. Not bad. Right there. Right there. I can't put it too close to this, so you're not going to be able to see it. So you'll see it from here. But this is Moody Neutrals. Beautiful colors. Okay. And I also found the sunglass case, because I wanted me one of these. All Things Burn, she did this, and I wanted me one. I was like, oh, they are really, really nice. And I got some sunglasses to go with it. I got a couple of pairs of sunglasses to go with, and they fit in there perfectly. Okay, so look at that. Fit in there perfectly. Very nice, very well put together. It had lavender, it had pink, it had light blue, but I kept it neutral. I love the browns and stuff like that. But yes, this is really, really nice. I like that. So that was really, really cute. Okay. And I also got these shades, y'all. I got these here. They say they did. Oh, what is that company name? Oh, I can't remember. It's a dupe to something, but I forgot what it was. Okay. I got these here. I thought these were cute. Yes. I was like, oh, I seen them today. I'm like, okay. Cute, right? Not bad. Not bad. Only thing, honey, I cannot wear them without having on my prescription glasses. I wake up in the morning grabbing them right off my nightstand. I like these. These are cute. Okay. Cute. All right. And I got me, and these right here I got from Temu, y'all. All right. But I got these here. My socks, I like to get these. These look big though. I think I got the men. Yep, I picked up the wrong ones. So I'm like, oh, they big. These are I can't have anything tight around my ankles, so these come right to the ankle, a little bit over the ankle, you know, for the winter time. But anyway, I want to show y'all a couple of my items that I made. Okay, this here. Coffee is my love language, okay? All right, if anybody is interested in, you know, getting one of my creations, please just let me know. And I also have this one here, okay? Okay, and I have this one. I'm not sure if I showed y'all this one, but this one, Queen. I thought that was cute. This is like a lady's cup, you know. It's the lady's cup, the lady's version of, I guess, they say a beer cup, but you can drink anything out of here you want to. Okay. So I thought that was so cute. Yes. So, yes. I just wanted to show y'all. I think I'm going to start showing them more often. And let me know what you think about these glasses, y'all. I got these from Temu. Let me know what you think of them, okay? But anyway, I thank y'all so much. I just thank y'all. I appreciate y'all so much. My channel is growing, and I'm so thankful for that. I just come to the conclusion. I think I'm going to upload at least 2 to 3 times a week. You know, I want to keep it growing. Up next, I should have over the weekend or early next week, I will have up my Valentine's tablescape, and I think I'll have it up this weekend. So yeah, you'll be having 3 more videos this weekend, okay? And I also want to get up my coffee bar, my Valentine's coffee bar. Okay, y'all, remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Bye-bye.